Hi guys, do you want to go to the new baking show that just opened up? Sure, when do you want to go? Today? What do you think? Yeah, you are pretty good bakers, so sure. Do you like the new music I made? It's really cool. Thank you.
Hi everybody, I'm Daddy the cameraman. Welcome to the show.
Why did you choose a chocolate cake, Cinderella? Well, I chose chocolate because chocolate's my favorite type of cake. And I also love chocolate cakes. Do you like it? Very delicious. Why did you choose a mermaid cake? Well, for one, I love mermaids. Two, mermaid cake is my specialty. And I love blue and purple. They're my favorite colors. Try some. Very delicious. Give it up for the best baker of the year, Roxy. Congratulations, Roxy. Thank you. You did a good job as well, Cinderella. Thank you.